Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I am going to show you how to make your own Christmas stocking using some felt that I have. I've had this for a while. It's great. It's really soft. I'm going to use this stocking for a template to cut out 2 pieces of this felt. I also have some felt strips here that I may use to go on the front, like this one. As well, I have some glitter to put the name on the stocking. Now, we already have stockings, so I may make one of these for the dogs because we don't have any stockings for them. So before we get into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed. Also, make sure you turn your bell notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a video. Also, be sure to be following me on Instagram. That's where I will be leaving all the updates for new videos and anything else new that will be coming out for my YouTube channel. So let's get into it. So right now this is on the fold, which makes it a lot easier to cut 2 pieces. So I'm just going to lay this down. I'm right-handed, guys, so sorry. So I'm just going to go ahead and pin this to make it easier for cutting. So now we have our 2 pieces cut out. I'm just going to clip this little edge here to make it more round. So now what I'm going to do is put a stitch all the way around and cut off a piece for the handle. So like I said, I'm just going to do a stitch all the way around until it's sewn together. I'm going to do a straight stitch, maybe like 1/4 of an inch for the stitch in, and then we'll flip it around. Make sure you backstitch to secure it. So here's what it looks like. We're going to turn this right side out now. And you can make yours larger or smaller. It's totally up to you, the size of yours. This is a really simple, really quick tutorial, and you can make so many of these. You don't even have to go out and buy yours anymore. You can use different fabrics and all kinds of things. Okay, so now that we have this right side out, we have our handle that we need to sew on, and then we also have our felt sheet that I'm just going to put on the front of mine. So I'm going to take it over here, and this one has a little bit of like glitter to it. So I'm going to measure mine by just setting it on top here, and then I'm going to cut it. Okay, so before we put this piece on, I'm going to go ahead and sew the hook on. So I'm going to place mine right inside the seam. Okay, so now that we have our hook on, and you can make your hook bigger or smaller just like the stocking, we're going to go ahead and put our piece on that we cut. Now for mine, as you can see on this side, it doesn't have that much glitter, and on this side it does. So I'm assuming this is the front side. I'm just going to use hot glue for this. You can obviously sew yours on before you sew your seams on, or you can do it as an after effect and put a nice stitch on the side, a decorative stitch, but I'm just going to glue mine on. So this is what it looks like right now, and I'm just going to put his name right across here. So I have some gold glitter that I will be using. And I have a plate to kind of catch the excess glitter, and I'm going to go ahead and use my glue gun for this. So his name is Milo. So I'm going to do the M first. Normally I would use Elmer's glue, but of course, as always for the tutorial, I use the hot glue because it's faster. And I use the plate because the excess glitter you could always put back in your jar. I like to give it a little smack. Like so. And there's our M. So I'm going to finish making his name, and then I'll show you what it looks like when we're completely done. Okay everyone, so this is what our stocking looks like, and like I said, this one is for my dog Milo. You guys have probably seen him if you follow me on my Instagram channel, but this was really easy, really simple to make. You can use a sewing machine or you can use hot glue to put this together, whatever is easiest for you. As I stated, you can also put decorative stitching around here or just sew it into the seam before you turn it right side out. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. As a lot of you have seen, there are some changes coming to YouTube that will affect the way this channel goes forward. We will talk about all of those on Thursday, but I want to thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Make sure you give my video a thumbs up. Also make sure you are subscribed and have your bell notifications turned on so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram and my blog so you can get updates of everything that I do on YouTube and off YouTube. And until next time, bye.